and welcome to this visit to Darley Abbey Mills, part of the Derwent Valley Mills World Heritage Site and located on the northern edge of the city of Derby. The complex, originally known as the Boar's Head Mills, has developed from its original formation in the late 18th century. The very first mill, however, was short-lived, burning down in 1788, only a few years after it was completed. Being well insured, however, this setback was only temporary, and its entrepreneurial owner, Thomas Evans, quickly rebuilt and expanded. The site is dominated by the Grade 1 listed Long Mill, which is what arose from the burnt-out ruin of its predecessor in 1789, possibly incorporating some of the early building in its core. It was followed in 1819 by the East and West Mills, also listed at Grade 1. The mill's primary purpose, as with the other early water-powered mills lining the Derwent Valley, was the spinning of cotton, an industry pioneered by Sir Richard Arkwright. A feel for the nature of the Derwent Valley cotton industry can be gained from this advertisement placed by Thomas Evans in the Derby Mercury in 1787. Darley Abbey Cotton Mill. Wanted. Families, particularly women and children, to work at said mill. They may be provided with comfortable houses and every convenience at Darley or Allestree, particularly a milking cow to each family. At the time of my visit, staff from the Environment Agency were hard at work removing debris caught in the bridge supports. The weir is of course one of the most striking features of the site and attracts people as much as wildlife. Fish pass has been installed at the weir, allowing a wide range of fish species to navigate upriver to spawn. Although diversifying to other products and processes, and long ago abandoning the river as its source of power, the mills remained in the Evans family ownership until 1903, and continued in their original purpose until the late 1960s, when the Viella Group wound up their operation there. Inevitably, decline took its toll on the buildings on the site, and at the time they were listed, several of them were described as being at risk due to the degree of decay. Today the complex is as active, and more importantly as well maintained, as it ever has been. This is thanks to the long-term work of a family-owned business who were one of the tenants on the site when Viella pulled out. A hugely diverse range of businesses now call the site home, ranging from a highly renowned restaurant, a wedding venue, a gym, graphic designers, furniture restorers, a dance studio, children's nursery, and so on. It's even been said that the site employs more people now than it ever did at the height of its operation as a mill. Workers' cottages contemporary with the mill remain within the complex, as well as across the river in the charming village of Darley Abbey, now subsumed as a suburb of Derby, but very much retaining its own community identity. As part of the Derwent Valley Mills, which were recognised by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site in 2001, and which extend from the Silt Mill in Derby's Cathedral Quarter to the south to Arkwright's Mills around Cromford to the north. This is part of Derbyshire which, in normal times anyway, is a great place to visit and to explore. More details about Darley Abbey Mills and links to websites providing far more depth to their history can be found in the description to this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the visit.